Engaged lessons for the 21st century.
You're looking at Lesson 4, Google Sheets, Logic in Math Spreadsheet. So this will be a logic spreadsheet. We want you to open up your Google Drive, then click on the waffle at the top and click on the icon for Sheets. Then go to the website for Lesson 4 Spreadsheets and upload Microsoft Office to your Google Sheets folder. After it is uploaded, click on the spreadsheet and the screen will say, open it with Google Sheets. Yes, open up this spreadsheet with Google Sheets. It will automatically change from Microsoft Office to Google Sheets. Change the name at the top so you have your name and Lesson 4. You'll notice that there will be an equation and most of it's already done for you. For example, in C4, it will say equal sign if B4 is equal to 17. Great job. It will jump to the first question or answer. But if it's wrong, it jumps over to this one and says try again. You will discover that B4 equals 17 and is checking the results that you typed into B4. This cell is located in A4, which is 12 plus 5. You'll see in a second. Okay, what we'd like to have you do here is modify the questions and answers and check it for cells 4 through 21. Now, change the math questions in column B and then adjust the rest in that row. For example, you can have a combination of addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Please try those. Now, please call me up when you're done so I can check out a few of them, and then you can place it in your folder in your block. Down here, you'll notice we have a picture of what you will be looking at. For example, here's 12 plus 5, which we know is 17. So if a person types 17 here in this cell, this will turn green and say great job. 10 plus 10 is 20, and you can see so forth and so on. Okay, here's what we're going to do. We're going to jump into the spreadsheet and show you exactly how all of this works. Okay, you'll notice here's the spreadsheet, and we said open up with Google Sheets. Click on here, and you can see it's going to open up in Google Sheets. Now, this is allow you to do this for anything written in Microsoft Office. Okay, you'll notice that here's column A, here's column B, column C. Now, in column A, you'll notice we have 12 plus 5. Okay, and over here you would type the answer, which we said was 17. And once you hit your enter key, watch what happens. Great job. Let's look and see how this actually worked. I'm going to double click inside here, and you'll notice it says equal sign if B4 equals 17. Here's column B and it's cell B4. Great job. If not, try again. Okay, now let's look at this one. Okay, 10 plus 10 is 20, but let's say the answer is 5. Error message, so you got to redo it. So if you click over here again, we'll double click. It says if B5 equals 20, great job. So if we come back here and change this answer to 20, watch. Great job. Now what we'd like to have you do is modify these. So here we have 6 times 6 plus 6, right? So we want to change that 6 times 6. 6 times 6 is 36. However, before we type that number in here, click over here, and it says if B6 is equal to, very gingerly, come in here and change this number to 36. Okay? Now, watch what happens. I click in here and I type in 36. And great job. So, what's really nice about this is you can modify all of these for addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. You can do it for even algebra, right? Now later on I'll give you one which will have word problems that you can check out with. So this is just step 1 of several steps. Now, not hard to do, but I'd like for you to do this, and when you get done, like I said, simply call me over. I'll look at it and then transfer it or save it to your folder for your block. Okay? Hopefully all that made sense. Well, thank you for watching our video.
Look at what's happened to me. I can't believe it myself. Suddenly I'm up on top.